And I can tell you from my own career, nothing's happens overnight. Nothing good happens overnight. It all takes work. It all takes a lot of sacrifice. And it's frustrating for us because we spend millions of dollars on R&D. We trade. And it's frustrating a lot of times to see our clients. They run too fast. I mean, we'll sell a platform one day. 3 days later, we have a bunch of emails from a particular person. It's usually maybe 5% of our clients, and they're running so fast. It's like if you just take your time. We put a lot of time and money and effort. We trade these platforms. We spend a lot of money trading. We do very, very well, and we want everyone to do well, which is why we have this podcast. We're sitting here not saying buy TruTrade by all means, but we're trying to tell you what most of you are doing wrong and what we did wrong years ago, but we're trying to help you guys. And when we built automation, we built it to make you guys more consistent, right? But one thing that we can't fix is we can't fix over trading.
So stop trying to get $2,500 out of that one account and being reckless and just crash and burn, which are going to happen. You may get lucky on a few trades, but you're going to crash and burn if you're over leveraged, right? TruTrade can't save you. Nothing can save you. 1% a day on $1 million is $10,000 a day. That's huge money for most people, but that's not even a big return. 1% per day is like what we aim for, right?
Sure.
You can get more than that if you want to, take a little bit of turbulence, or even 0.5% per day. 0.5% to 1%. So if you're using prop accounts, an average of 50K, that's still 500 per day on average.
Sure.
So if you have 10 of those, that's $5,000 a day. That's $100,000 a month. Just chipping away, like you said, chipping away at the tree.
Sure.
That's $1.2 million a year. With 5 prop accounts, just chipping away at it, being responsible and taking your time. It's not that hard. Anybody can do this if they just sit there and can follow basic instructions and don't get crazy with it.
Yeah, and that's exactly why we put together the podcast, because we're not sitting here just trying to sell bots and just make a ton of money. I mean, we build things because we're trying to change the game, and I think we're doing a very good job doing it. And we take a lot of things to heart because if most do very well. We're talking about the 5 or 10%.
Yeah, any given month.
Any given month, we're trying to turn those guys around, right? Those are the ones that we really want to slow down and do well. And this flows right into your other trading as well. It's not just about our automation. Everything that Brian was just talking about is just general in trading. It's just over leveraging. You're trying to get to Z way too fast, and we just want you to get to B. And that because we want you to be successful. If we didn't want you to be successful, we would not be putting on this podcast.